We're just outside of Newcastle on the New South Wales coast. This is Full Throttle BBQ. This place has been nominated via our Facebook page to be on the show more times than we could possibly count. You could even buy your own brisket, or you could just do the lazy thing and order some to take away.
We start about 2:30 in the morning cooking every single day. We cook fresh every day. And it's a very busy business.
Now, if you've come here for food, you could even drop your high-end vehicle off for a bit of a tune-up while you're here. That's right, you heard me right. And there's some seriously high-end cars here.
Garage we started 4 years ago. Basically, I retired and I loves barbecue and fast cars, so we built the garage and we were actually a competition barbecue team. So we were in the top 10 teams in Australia, so we decided to build the barbecue cafe as well, and that was 3 years ago. That's got us to where we are today.
Oh, flavour straight away. That is beautiful. Tender, with the right amount of flavour. You can tell that it's been smoked to perfection. Just look at that. That is absolutely delightful. Oh, boys, you've got to be happy with this. This is good stuff. And you know what? No surprise that so many people reached out on Facebook and said, you've got to try this place. This is unreal. Let's try one of these cheese Kranskis. I could eat that all day. That just looks good. It's got the crunch factor. They've actually done extensions out the back so they can up the output because they're that popular. I got to get into this. I love a good pie. Oh, the colour as well. These oozing with goodness. Get a load of that. That is just simply beautiful. So this is the Full Throttle burger. It has just got cheese dripping all over it. That is a burger. That's what you come here for. That is the Full Throttle burger. That is simply just, that is a piece of heaven. It's just, oh man, that is good.
Do yourself a favour and plan a trip to Full Throttle BBQ today. You are not going to regret this one.
We're in Beresfield, Newcastle, so 10 Yangham Drive, Beresfield.